Hi, I'm Landon from AirVantage Heating and Cooling. One of the most important things in your home that often gets overlooked is the maintenance of your heating and cooling equipment. Did you know that your heating and cooling system needs to be maintained every single year? The three most important things to consider when having your maintenance done is safety, efficiency, and extending the life of your system. There are a lot of benefits to calling AirVantage Heating and Cooling, but the one that'll save you the most money is joining our club membership. Our AirVantage Club members receive 2 annual maintenances, once in the spring, once in the fall. You also receive front of the line service, so if you have an emergency breakdown, we come out within 48 hours to get your system back up and running. You also receive 10% discounts on all repairs, maintenance, and hot water tanks, as well as get extended warranties on all repairs. So rather than having a 1-year warranty on repair, you would receive a 2-year warranty. Lastly, you get loyalty credits towards a new heating and cooling system. So every single year you're a part of our membership, you receive $100 towards a new system. So if this sounds like something that could benefit you in your home, don't hesitate to reach out, give us a call, visit us online, and we'd be more than happy to help.